The lightweight and durable electric lawnmower is perfectly suited for all small-sized lawns to medium-sized lawns. Innovative cutting. The 32 cm cutting width means the lawnmower is suitable for small, narrow areas of lawn mowing, despite providing a considerable cutting width to suit larger lawn areas. Quick-release grass collection box. The large 25L grass collection box, coupled with grass level indicator, means you'll never run the risk of overfilling and clogging the lawnmower. Furthermore, the quick-release collection box allows you to empty your grass without spillage, easily. Summer lawn finish. Hyundai's corded electric lawnmower is equipped with low-cut settings which allows you to achieve your summer lawn finish.